If you are trying to find your Monopoly Go link, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, make sure that you have installed Monopoly Go app in your device. Once you do so, launch it. And if you would like to share the link, you need to first log into your specific Monopoly Go account where you would like to share your link. As you do so, you will see a page like this. Now here you will see a friends button on your bottom right hand side, so tap it. If you would like to simply share the link, you have to tap on this invite button right here. So tap onto it, and this shows how it works, so make sure that you read this. And now you will see Facebook or simply the share link. And you can simply go ahead, share on Facebook or copy the link according to your preference. Tap onto it, and now it says it has been copied to the clipboard. Send it to any people that you would like, and once they tap onto it, they will be able to see your friend request. If they accept it, you will be able to see them onto your boards. So thank you all for watching.